what training do your lead managers receive? So our lead managers get weekly training and feedback. We focus on mirroring questions, motivation discovery, and they're trained to ask open-ended questions like, hey, what was going on in 2005 when you bought this property? Because we want to uncover seller motivation. The lead managers, you can also listen to their calls. So a lot of our feedback comes from clients who listen to call. Hey, my lead manager said this. Could you coach them? Bang. Yeah, let's do it. We are also right now putting all of the lead manager calls through a sales AI sales coaching program where we are going to, this is in beta. We're, I don't know if the back end automation, it's February 12th right now. By March, this, all of our lead manager 2025, all of our lead manager calls will be going through AI sales coaching and coming back QA scoring those. And then we can score and listen to every call because it gets, the workload's heavy. So we have to listen to calls here and there on a cadence now once a week, but we're improving that. And lead managers are savages. They're doing really well. Company and experience.